If you're poor, if you don't have the capital, then all what you have is yourself.
That's true.
Then use yourself in order to get that capital. Don't diversify $100. That's stupid.
Bank on yourself.
Bank on yourself. That's right.
Believe in yourself.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Crypto with Amine. If you like these videos, like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to know your general thoughts on risk. Speak about risk.
Well, I mean, my base rule for risk is my age, 100% minus my age. And then once you get to that number, you have something to work with. So for me, I have like 60% today that I need to put into risk.
So when you think about risk, it's calculated to you.
Well,
it's calculated risk.
All risk should be calculated.
Yeah.
So I have $6,000 to play with.
Casino.
No. See, that's stupid.
Roulette, all on two.
That's dumb. What I will do is that I will invest $6,000 in trying to contribute into a risky environment in which I believe.
Okay. What about people that are just like naturally risk adverse and they're on the line of making that step, you know?
You become less risk adverse if you invest in that environment via your skill set and ensuring your independence via the deployment of your own capital in that risky environment. And this is what's great about crypto, is that crypto don't have a passive approach to crypto.
Yeah.
If you have $6,000, $500, whatever dollars you have, don't buy something passive.
Okay.
If you're a small budget guy.
So figure out a way to get involved.
Figure out a way to get involved and to contribute. If instead of buying $6,000 of that coin, what about I take that budget and I invest it in something I control?
Okay.
And I know how to do. This is how you control your risk.
How can somebody who's interested in investing in crypto or putting some capital into crypto, how can they get involved in an aspect of crypto that they can get involved in, like you said?
They can identify it. I think the first match exercise that needs to be done is that you need to match to believe in the fundamental values that coin kind of portrays. Okay, and
so that involves like reading the white paper.
It involves reading the white paper because you're gonna invest, you're gonna take a risk, so you have to document yourself. Okay, for example, a quick way to do it today would be via BitCloud, right?
Yeah, which we spoke about in a recent video.
Okay, create a BitCloud account and participate either in the BitCloud platform as such or within one of the projects of BitCloud, or etc. In this way, and plus opening an account in BitCloud already gives you the liquidity necessary. So if you invest, for example, $1,000 into creating nice content, into doing something which is relevant, it could be anything that you do, then you're gonna attract community, you're gonna have a more liquid coin, and you basically bootstrap yourself into delivering more into this environment. Do not, if you're poor, do not have rich people's investment strategy. It doesn't work for you. If you're poor, if you don't have the capital, then all what you have is yourself.
That's true.
Then use yourself in order to get that capital. Don't diversify $100. That's stupid.
Bank on yourself.
Bank on yourself. That's right.
Believe in yourself.
Yeah. The best thing you can invest in is yourself, and you can claim return on yourself if you do the required involvement in something in particular. And this is the best way to take risks if you don't have money. Then when you start having money, you start having the 100, the 200, the 300, the 400, 600, the million, blah, 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 then you diversify, okay? Yeah. And in crypto, this is a fast track environment.
Yeah.
Do you understand that? That means if you understand well a project, and if you make the right bet, and if you devote resources into that project with your own skills, the payback could be fantastic. By the way, most of these crypto millionaires, this is what they did.
Say goodbye, Amine.
Goodbye.
Thank you very much, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe.